Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change deck in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So, switching decks in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket is essential for tailoring your strategy to different opponents and situations. Whether you're experimenting with new cards or refining your gameplay, I have a comprehensive guide to changing your deck step by step. So, the first step is opening the Pokemon TCG Live Pocket app. Then, launch the app and go to the menu from the home screen. Then locate the deck builder or play option. Now you'll have to access the deck builder. Navigate to your collection, tap the decks tab or select deck manager to view your saved decks. Then you can review your decks. Browse through your available decks including pre-built starter decks and custom ones you have created. Then select a new deck. Choose a deck that you want to use. Then tap on the deck you want to set as active. After that, you can view the deck details. Check the deck's composition and card list to ensure it fits your strategy. Now, after that, set the deck as active. Tap the Set as Active Deck or similar option to make this your primary deck for battles. The game will confirm your selection and your active deck will be displayed. Now, you'll have to edit or customize your deck. This is optional. You can make adjustment and save your changes. After that, start a match with your new deck. Begin a battle, go to the play section and choose your game mode, whether it is from casual or ranked. Now, your newly selected deck will automatically load for the match. You can test multiple decks, stay updated regularly and focus on synergy for deck management. So changing your deck in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket is quick and straightforward, allowing you to adapt your strategy and stay competitive. Experiment with various decks and customize them for maximum impact. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.